everyone. It's Gemma. Oh, fucking hell. I'm just gonna do like a quick video about I was just thinking about something like I've been hit so many times. It's like it's proper shit and stuff. And like I just want to say like I'm just really having a good think about things and don't like at my age and stuff. All I seem to do, I do rush relationships and stuff, and I don't know why. I don't know why I do it. I just rush and that. But the best thing to do is just live your life. You don't need to rush into anything. At the end of the day, you're young. Do you know what I mean? You don't need to rush into big relationships. Go out there, live your life. You're gonna get hurt. Your heart's gonna break. People are gonna hurt you. And then sometimes you get to a point where you don't want to get into relationships because you think you're going to get hurt again. Or sometimes you feel lonely and you feel like you've got to get into a relationship because you feel like you need someone or whatever. Live your life. Go out. Do what you want to do. Don't spend so much time rooting for someone and trying to look for this perfect person when they're probably out there looking for you. Don't look for them. They'll look for you, and in the right time they will come to you. Don't rush, live your life, do your education, do what you need to do, go on holiday, go out partying, live your life. You live it once. There's people out there dying of cancer, there's people, especially at a young age, and we get into these big serious relationships, and there's so many people dying out there, and people moan about being heartbroken and stuff. Yeah, it hurts. But this is why you don't get into big relationships. Take your time, don't rush. Because all I ever spent my time was rushing to relationships. In like, I just got hurt. I got hurt by so many girls, and it does hurt. And I kind of went through a stage where I was kind of thinking, because I fell for some girl, like, I was with her for 3 years and I loved her to bits and we just didn't work out, and since then I've kind of been looking for that type of relationship because I was with her for so long, and I stopped doing that, and now I'm living my life, and that's all I need to do. You need to live your life, flirt with girls, whatever, lads, whatever you're into, do you know what I mean? Do that, you're young. So stay true to yourself, stay young, and just don't get into these big relationships, please.